How are you? Fine. Very good. So yesterday have you learned the rhymes? Well done. Good. Now today the date is 23rd September 2020 and today the day is Wednesday. Today we will make a bookmark. What we will make? A bookmark. A bookmark is a thing that we keep in our book to find out any page. Okay. So you want to make it that? Okay. Let's start. To make a bookmark, first we have to take two sheets. See, I am going to take one blue and one orange. We need a scissor. While doing this, you have to take help of your parents and some beads, bindis and other decoration material you can also use. And I am also going to use black marker. First I am going to take blue sheet and I am going to fold it in this way. Look carefully. So I have folded. After this you have to need a scissor. Then you will cut from this side. Look carefully. Now see, look carefully how I am doing. Now open this. This is a square sheet. Fine. Now again fold it. This is triangle and now you have to fold it in this way from one side, and in the same way you have to fold the paper from another side. Equally you have to fold it from both the sides in this way. Now I am going to open it. Now look, from this corner you have to fold upward. Fine. Now this again you will fold it carefully. You have to take help of your parents while doing this activity because it is little difficult for you to fold the paper. Simple folds you can do easily, but difficult folds you have to take help of your parents while doing that. Okay, so in this way you have to fold it. Now I am going to keep it like this on an orange sheet, and then with the help of marker you have to draw just like a ice cream or mountains. You have to draw this line. Now I have cut that orange sheet. I am going to now paste it upon this with the help of Fevicol. Look carefully. First you have to cut this part. You can take any sheet or any colorful sheet, put Fevicol on it and then paste it on your bookmark. Now can you see, it is just looking just like an ice cream, cone ice cream. Fine. After this you can decorate it with the help of marker. I have drawn some lines on it. After this I am going to decorate the upper part of this bookmark with the help of beads. You can also take the bindis, beads, anything else that you have. Now with the help of bindis I am going to make the eyes like this and this. Now smiley. So this is a bookmarker. Now I am going to tell you how you have to use it. You can keep in your book in this way. Fine. And if you have to find the another page, now keep it like this and close your book. Now easily you can find out the page of your book. Fine. That's why we called it bookmark. Fine. So what you have to do, all you have to try to make this with the help of your parents, and then click the photograph of your work and send it to me. Goodbye, take care of yourself.